Hello guys, welcome to Coding Mode. This is Ramsey, and today I'm going to tell you guys how to use phpmyadmin. To use phpmyadmin, you need to know that you need to download the application called temp. You need to download. I have already downloaded this. You can download by clicking here, and yeah, there's a lot of options to download. You need to download, and you need to open this control panel, which is SAMP control panel. After opening this control panel, you will start the Apache here and MySQL. After starting these two, Apache and MySQL, you need to open Google and then search localhost phpmyadmin. You need to open phpmyadmin. After opening this phpmyadmin, I think you need to know basic syntax of MySQL database, MySQL language to know how to use phpmyadmin. But if you know basic syntax, you will know that you can create table, create relations, and you can do a lot of things in MySQL. But by using phpmyadmin, you will do a lot of things in really fast, in really short time. Like, let's start with creating a database. You need to create one database. By clicking here, you can create one database. Database name, let's say first. Let's say first, and then create a database. After creating a database, you need to create tables. To create table, let's create one table users, because we are gonna save the data of the user. Let's say 3 columns. We'll create 3 columns. First, you need to know, if you know basic MySQL or database, if you know something, you need to add ID to any table. You need to add ID. Let's add ID. ID of the table is int string, and then 11. Int 11. Length is 11. And then default is default nothing. You can add default, but you should not add any default in ID. Auto increment, this ID will increment by numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 automatically. And then this is primary key. Yeah, ID is always primary key. And yeah, that's all. And then let's save the name of the user. Name is varchar. Name is varchar. Varchar means string. Let's say 50. Length is 50. That's all. You don't need to add anything. And then email. Let's say email. Email is also the varchar 50. And yeah, that's all. You can add unsigned in your primary key. By using unsigned, the primary key should be plus number positive. Like it can't be -1 or -2. It should be 1 and minus, or 0 and more. Yeah, and let's there is no comment in your table. Let's save the table. We make one table called users. There is ID, name, and email, but you also need password to after password of the user. So what we will do, we will add one table after email. Go. What we will add? Password. What is the type of the variable? It's varchar, and length, it can be 200. Password, because if you know PHP, we will save the password in hash. It's little bit complicated if you are new, but you will know later, slowly, and save. Yeah, this is the syntax what we did just now. Alter table, users, add password, and that's all. Yeah, after email. Yeah, we made one users. Now let's insert some values in our table. Let's see the example. Now first ID, it's auto increment. You don't need to add anything. Name, let's say Ramsey. Email, Ramsey boy @gmail.com. No, this is not my Gmail. Let's change this. This is not my Gmail. Hello there. And let's add some password. Password will be hello123. Let's go. And this is the syntax of how we insert the data. By using phpmyadmin, it's too easy to do these types of stuff. Now we have done this. We have create one users. Yeah, you can create one users like create one. First you need to create a table, and then you will insert the values in these tables. That's how the database, the MySQL works. Okay guys, that's it for today. In my next video I will tell you guys how to relate one table to another, how you can get the values of the table in SQL in your site, or if you are making some websites, you need to get the values from the database, and there is a lot of things to tell you about the MySQL. And first you need to know that how to create a table, and then how to insert data in your table. This is the first 3 steps in your database. Thank you guys. Hope you have a nice day and Happy New Year.